Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Trustwallet and if it's actually worth to use or no. So what are the pros? What is the good thing about Trustwallet is the simplicity of the application if you would got it, and then also the asset support that it offers over 65 blockchains. So these are the two most important things that I like, that it's like easy to use and it's good. But the thing is, now the cons, right? The first thing is it doesn't offer 2FA, and this is the most important thing. You're not going to have the two-factor. So it doesn't offer it, and if you're looking for better security, just because of this, that it doesn't offer 2FA, I wouldn't personally use it. You also don't have the desktop application. The customer support is non-existent if you want to use Trustwallet, and there are a lot of potential security risks with Trustwallet, and you can just like go to Google Play and look for the past 2 months reviews, right? So they have nobody you can talk to, and your money is at stake. It's easy to panic, and your ability to navigate in compromise because they offer zero customer support. So there are plenty of people like saying they get hacked and things like that. And this is the thing, it doesn't even offer 2FA. So if I would be you and you want to use it, I wouldn't personally even use it, to be honest. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit, if you want to use the Trust Wallet or no. And you can of course like check the competitors, but primarily you want to check like where you're gonna get actually like 2FA. And again, my crypto has been stolen. It's not possible to steal the phrase by anyone. I keep it in safe space. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. And again, many people reporting is that they just lost money.